So we're here in Windmill Lane in Docklands as part of our 3D City Data Hack. And really what we're trying to do is look at the power of 3D data and how it applies to cities.
And it's been an amazing insight into the potential and really positive use of data and how we develop and plan and manage our city, but also how we can bring the citizens into that process as well.
So what we've done is we've built a model of about 4 kilometres squared of Docklands, full 3D of all the buildings and the new buildings that are under construction. And we've open sourced it to a big community of planners, coders, developers to look at what's possible with this type of data and how you can generate new insights for cities.
Just the ideas around how the residents of the Docklands or the wider city might be able to through the 3D animation process, being able to visualise how that might impact on their local community is just, the benefits of that are huge, and so I'm really excited to see how we're going to bring these projects forward in the future.
Place Engage is a virtual town hall. So essentially it's a dynamic and wholly interactive platform. Housing is such a key challenge for Dublin City right now, and in fact objections to planning are slowing down the delivery of vital new homes and infrastructure. We know that a lot of planning objections are fear-based, and usually because there's misinformation or not the right information. So we want to allow people to be fully informed so they can make a decision based on reality and having experienced the development.
So we looked at fire infrastructure, kind of dry risers, wet risers, external utility lines, and mapped it in a way that could better help first responders and the fire department on incident response.
So it could be a fireman's helmet with a HoloLens on it that we would be able to call up those important bits of information. So a wet riser, a dry riser, protected shafts, we can click on those items and it will highlight those items in a colour and give us a distance from where I'm standing to where it is.
The commander will be able to open up an app on his tablet or mobile phone and be able to see where the fire infrastructure is, where they need to plug in their hoses to get the water up through the building, where the best water mains are on the street so that they can better fight the fire.
There were apps developed and delivered in the last 24 hours that would generally take weeks of development. So quite frankly, we were stunned to win, but absolutely delighted because it's so important for the city that we actually develop this culture.
But also we can better plan cities. We can look at what if there's an emergency, how do we better, I suppose, navigate a building? How can the first responders use this data? But also how can we engage with communities and citizens looking at what's the future going to look like in their city through mobile apps or VR or AR. So there's huge amount of potential, and really what we were trying to explore is what are the different opportunities, and I think we did that pretty well.